Hi, it's Adam from realitymanifestation.com. In this video, I'm going to be going through how to change your appearance with the law of attraction and 3 mistakes to avoid. When it comes to changing your appearance with the law of attraction, it isn't just based on healing or physically changing your body by changes in your mindset, which is going down the route of epigenetics, or healing and changing yourself energetically. And this principle I'm about to go through, you can apply for almost any other area in your life, in almost any other context related to the law of attraction. But I'll speak about it in the context of changing your appearance, as obviously this is what this video is to do with. So if you are intending to attract changes with your appearance, it isn't just going to come directly with your appearance changing out of the blue. So for example, if you are wanting to change your appearance with appearing more fashionable, you aren't necessarily going to attract a fashionable piece of clothing. You might attract someone or something that makes you more aware of how to be more fashionable, or where to even buy fashionable clothes that's more affordable depending on your life circumstances. Or if you are wanting to lose weight, you aren't necessarily going to attract a flat stomach. You may attract people, books, or something related that's going to help give you the opportunity in being able to lose weight more effectively and faster, which will make more sense when I go through these 3 mistakes to avoid, with the first being just relying on a manifestation technique without working on your associations. So for example, you might be making a vision board, visualizing yourself losing weight, or doing something that relates to changing your appearance with the law of attraction. And you may subconsciously have an association that being overweight means you'll be safe or protected, which could include getting unwanted attention, being sexually abused, or you may even have an association if you lose weight, you will attract love, and love equals pain. There's many different reasons and unique reasons to why someone may have a negative association. So even if you attracted people and circumstances that allowed you to lose weight easier, or the changes in your mindset change you physically, if you subconsciously associate a lot of pain to losing weight, you'll self-sabotage and push anything you attract or that will benefit you with changing your appearance away from you. If you want to know more about associations and how to change them, I'm going to leave a link to a video I've already done that goes through this in the description box down below. The second mistake to avoid is not following intuition and taking action. So similar to what I was saying earlier, you won't just create changes magically in your body when using the law of attraction. You'll also attract circumstances that makes it easier for you to change your appearance, related to what aspect you want to change. And as you do this, you'll start to get gut intuitive feelings for something you should do. So it might be to join a gym, go to a certain fashion show. There'll be something you'll feel an urge to do physically, and by avoiding it, you're stopping the universe, God, or whatever you believe in being able to deliver to you, so to speak, what you are intending to attract. So you want to focus on any sensations or a feeling of knowing of something that you should do, related to what you want to attract. In this context, changes in your appearance, and to trust and follow those gut intuitive feelings. And now the third mistake you want to avoid is not looking into what you can do physically. Related to following your intuition and taking action, looking physically how you can change your appearance If you want to be more fashionable, look into fashion. If you want a better body, look into how you can create the kind of physique you want. This is a form of intention and also changes your vibration and aligns you with what you want. When you just sit and visualize, or by scribing, writing what you want, by doing any form of manifestation technique, by doing this over and over, this can be a form of begging and wishing. By moving towards something you want to manifest, it's a form of intention, and we get what we intend, not what we wish for. And by also moving physically towards your goals, it's allowing the universe, God, whatever you believe in, to present you with more opportunities to be able to change your appearance in this context. So still apply whatever law of attraction techniques you are using, whether you're visualizing or focusing on how you want to look and feel, but also take action and look into what you can do physically. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also, share this video with anyone who you think will benefit from knowing these 3 mistakes to avoid. And comment down below in which one you found the most useful. I hope you found this video useful, and I shall see you soon.